Hi, welcome back to Sadler of Nails. So here is my 2022 New Year's Eve design. So first I'm going to show you how to do these awesome fireworks. I've never been able to achieve like a good firework effect. And finally with these magnetic polishes, this is the Madam Glam Wandering New York collection. I've finally been able to achieve this look. So I'm so excited to show you. So along with the Madam Glam magnetic polishes, I am also using the Aprés glitter bomb, which is that's an amazing magnetic polish. If you're going to get any magnetic polish, get the Aprés glitter bomb because you can apply like sheer colors over it to basically achieve any color. So here we go. We're going to use Madam Glam's fine long liner brush, and I put the polishes down onto a glass palette, and I already have my nail painted black, and I used Ugly Duckling's black gel polish for that, 2 coats. And then now I'm just coming in with my liner brush, and I'm basically just kind of swooping out the polish from the center outwards. You're going to put pressure down at the center, and then as you pull out, you're going to lift your brush up, and then that's how you get that fine point. So this is a very, very easy technique, very beginner friendly, and it really looks awesome in the end. So please like and subscribe to my channel if you like this so far. So now we're coming in with the pink, and the green is still wet, so I'm doing the first part, the first color, I guess, of the firework. And then we're going to come in with the magnet, and we're going to pull out that glitter to make that cat eye effect, so that when you kind of turn the nail, you kind of see like the different colors of the firework. So we're going to cure that layer first, and then now that this is cured, we're going to come in and do our second color in between the first colors. So here I'm coming in with the Aprés glitter bomb, and I'm going in between the green, and you can kind of swoop your brush out to kind of make them on a little bit of an angle, so it's not like a perfect straight line, because you know when fireworks explode, they explode out and then they start falling. So definitely curve out the edges to give that effect. And then we're going to come in with the red, which is Kevin. This whole collection from Madam Glam was inspired by Home Alone. So obviously with the names of the colors, I think you could tell that. So this is Kevin, and we're coming in between the pink, which I forget the name of, sorry, go back to the beginning. I will have it all in my description box as well. So now I'm coming in with my magnet, and I'm pulling out that glitter, and then I'm going to cure it. And I decided to add a third color to the top firework. So now I'm going to come in with the blue, which I think is Lost in New York, and I am putting that down randomly in between. I'm not focusing on which colors I'm putting it in between, to be honest. Fireworks are random, guys, so this doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, nail art does not need to be perfect, especially if it's hand painted. So just have fun with it. So now that I've put down the blue, we're going to come in with that magnet again and pull that glitter out. And you could see, I don't know if you could tell, but I kind of did opposite sides every time I did the magnet, so that it pulls the glitter out on the opposite ends so that when you angle the nail, it like shines and glows in different angles, which is really hard to tell in this video, and I'm really sorry. But if you do end up trying this technique, you will see how really cool it looks in real life. You can kind of see it right here, them all kind of glowing at different angles. So I think it's really cool. So now we're going to do the year 2022. Oh my gosh, 2022. And I'm using Madam Glam's gel paints. You do want to stir them up a little bit, and I like to just poke a hole in the top because then I kind of just use like the cover as my palette. So now I'm using the same long liner brush from Madam Glam to paint a tiny little 2 on the bottom corner. I debated doing the year in the center of the nails, and for some reason I decided I just wanted to do it down in the bottom corner. I don't know why. Okay, this is what I decided to do. So after you paint the number, while the gel is still wet, I am sprinkling on some fine red glitter. And then I didn't show it here, but I do show it after. You're going to tap it in and then cure the nail. And this is after it's cured. I'm now brushing off the excess glitter. And then this is how you get that sugar glitter effect. So now we're going to do the 0 with the blue gel paint. Now this gel paint is extremely pigmented, and the most amazing thing about it is that it cures to a shine. It does not have a dispersion layer, so you can use it as a finishing gel to do detail work, and it is absolutely perfect when you're doing sugar effects like this because there is no sticky dispersion layer to worry about. So honestly, guys, like I recommend the entire collection of the Madam Glam gel paints. I honestly do. You can use my code BeckyTK40 to get 40% off your order. Now, the code does only work on items that are not already discounted. So they have a lot of items that are already discounted. So if the code's not working, that is why. Otherwise, use my code, get 40% off, save money, and use these awesome gel polishes. You're not going to have a problem with them, and that's the most important thing. When you buy cheap gel polish, you end up having issues, and then your nail sets end up taking you twice as long, and that is just not efficient. So just spend the extra money on really good quality gel polish, and you're good to go. Okay, just honestly, I've made the mistake at the beginning of buying cheap gels polishes, and they honestly ended up just going in the trash because I couldn't work with them. So that's my advice. So now we're doing the last 2. I decided to use the pink instead of green, tapping in that glitter, and then after you cure it, you are done. Sorry about my little rant there. But yeah, so anyways, I really hope you liked this tutorial. I'm trying to kind of like move my light here to show you the different angles. But yeah, like and subscribe, guys, and Happy New Year.